Many later model engines require torque-to-yield head bolts that are only good for one-time use and should be purchased every time you remove a cylinder head. These bolts must be torqued to an exact specification and an exact sequence to ensure a proper seal of the head gasket. Some engines, especially those with aluminum heads and MLS head gaskets, require more clamping strength because of increased expansion. Torque-to-yield head bolts are designed to achieve maximum clamping strength when they are stretched to their yield point. It's very important to refer to your owner's manual for the torque specs on your vehicle. In some engines, it's as simple as tightening down each bolt to a specified number of foot-pound, while others are much more intricate. The order in which the bolts must be torqued is also crucial to getting the proper clamp force. Removal of head bolts should be done in the reverse order according to your vehicle's torque specs and should never be done when the engine is still hot, as this can cause the cylinder head to warp. Whether it's consistent quality, technical attention, or expert service you expect, our teams work hard every day to earn and maintain your business. Additionally, same-day shipping and next-day delivery of our extensive, full line of products saves your company money and ensures you complete your jobs on time. Find everything you need all in one place visiting www.enginetechcatalog.com now. Enginetech, the engine builder's source.